As an indie rapper, there are several creative ways to make money and generate income. Here are 10 potential avenues to explore. 1. Live performances. Organize and promote your own live shows, gigs, or concerts. Charge admission fees and use platforms like Eventbrite to manage ticket sales. 2. Merchandise sales. Design and sell merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, hats, posters, and other branded items related to your music. Online platforms such as Shopify or Etsy can help you set up your online store. 3. Streaming and downloads. Distribute your music on popular streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. While payouts per stream may not be huge, consistent streams can add up over time. 4. YouTube channel. Build a strong presence on YouTube by posting music videos, vlogs, behind-the-scenes content, and freestyles. Monetize your channel through ad revenue and sponsorships. 5. Patreon or fan subscriptions. Create a Patreon page or a fan subscription service where fans can support you directly in exchange for exclusive content, early access to new music, or personalized experiences. 6. Collaborations and features. Work with other artists, both within and outside of your genre. Collaborations can introduce you to new audiences and create additional revenue streams. 7. Licensing and sync deals. License your music for use in commercials, TV shows, films, and video games. Websites like Music Vine and Epidemic Sound are platforms where you can showcase your music for potential licensing opportunities. 8. Crowdfunding campaigns. Launch crowdfunding campaigns on platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo to fund projects like new albums, music videos, or tours. 9. Music distribution and sync licensing companies. Utilize services like DistroKid, TuneCore, or United Masters to distribute your music to various online platforms and collect royalties. These platforms often offer sync licensing opportunities too. 10. Teaching and workshops. Share your knowledge and skills by offering workshops, online courses, or one-on-one lessons related to music, songwriting, or rapping. Remember that building a sustainable income as an indie rapper requires consistency, networking, and engaging with your fanbase. Diversifying your revenue streams and exploring multiple platforms can help you establish a stronger financial foundation for your music career.